Have you ever caught your reflection and felt a pang of worry about thinning hair or those creeping bald patches? It's a feeling many of us know all too well. We try countless products, spend a small fortune, and often end up right back where we started, feeling frustrated. But what if I told you that one of the most powerful solutions for regrowing your hair might be growing in your garden or sitting on your windowsill right now? Yes, I'm talking about aloe vera. This isn't just some new trend. It's an ancient remedy, a miracle plant that has been trusted for centuries for its incredible healing properties. While you might know it as a go-to for soothing sunburns, its true magic for hair is something you need to see to believe. Aloe vera is a powerhouse of nutrients for your scalp. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which are antioxidants that promote healthy cell growth and shiny hair. It also contains proteolytic enzymes, which are key to repairing dead skin cells on the scalp. This action is crucial because clogged hair follicles are one of the main culprits behind hair loss. By clearing them out, aloe vera paves the way for new hair to grow. Think of it like this: a healthy plant needs good soil. In the same way, healthy hair needs a healthy scalp. Aloe vera creates that perfect environment. It acts as a fantastic natural conditioner, deeply hydrating your scalp without the greasy feel of heavy oils. It also helps to balance your scalp's pH level. When the pH is off, it can lead to all sorts of problems like dandruff, itchiness, and you guessed it, hair fall. By restoring this balance, aloe vera calms irritation and creates the ideal foundation for strong, resilient hair. So, how do you actually use this wonder plant to get these amazing results? Let's talk about a simple yet powerful routine. The 30-day aloe vera challenge. It's easy, it's natural, and it's incredibly effective. All you need is a fresh aloe vera leaf. If you don't have a plant, you can usually find fresh leaves at a local grocery store or farmer's market. First, take a leaf and carefully cut it open. You'll see this beautiful, clear, jelly-like substance inside. That's the good stuff. Scoop out all of that gel with a spoon. Put it into a blender and give it a quick blitz until it's a smooth, easy-to-apply liquid. Now, for the application. You can use your fingertips or a clean applicator brush. Part your hair and start applying the gel directly onto your scalp. Pay special attention to the areas where your hair is thinning the most, like your hairline, the crown, or any visible bald spots. Make sure you cover all the roots. Once your scalp is coated, it's time for a little massage. Using the pads of your fingers, gently massage your scalp in circular motions for about 5 to 10 minutes. This isn't just relaxing, it's a vital step. The massage stimulates blood circulation, which means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered directly to your hair follicles, waking them up and encouraging them to start growing again. After the massage, just let the gel sit and work its magic for about 30 to 45 minutes. You can tie your hair up and go about your day. When the time is up, simply rinse it out with lukewarm water. You don't even need to shampoo every time, as aloe vera itself has cleansing properties. For the best results in this 30-day challenge, consistency is everything. Aim to do this treatment every other day for 1 month. I know it sounds like a commitment, but trust me, the results will be worth it. Within a couple of weeks, you'll likely notice less hair fall. Your hair will feel softer and look shinier. By the end of the 30 days, many people see new, baby hairs starting to sprout in thinning areas. Your scalp will feel healthier, free from dandruff, itchiness, and that annoying excess oil. Aloe vera's natural antibacterial and antifungal properties work to keep your scalp clean and free from infections that can hinder hair growth. Now, if you want to supercharge this treatment, you can create some potent hair growth masks. One of my favorite combinations is aloe vera with castor oil. Castor oil is famous for its ability to promote rapid hair growth. Just mix 2 tablespoons of your fresh aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Mix it well and apply it the same way, focusing on the scalp and roots. This combination is a powerhouse for anyone dealing with early-stage baldness or a receding hairline. Another fantastic duo is aloe vera and coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that penetrate the hair shaft, strengthening it from the inside out and preventing protein loss. Mix equal parts of aloe vera gel and melted coconut oil. Apply it to your scalp and hair and leave it on for an hour before washing. This mask not only boosts growth but also leaves your hair feeling incredibly strong and nourished. You might be thinking, this sounds too simple to work, but sometimes the most effective solutions are the simplest ones. We become so used to complex chemical formulas and expensive treatments that we forget the power that nature holds. Thousands of people have shared their success stories online after following this simple routine. They've shown pictures of their hairlines filling in, their bald spots shrinking, and their hair becoming visibly thicker and more voluminous. And the best part, it's 100% natural. There are no harsh chemicals, no strange side effects, just pure, plant-based goodness. Remember, nature works on its own timeline. It's a slow, steady, but powerful process. You might not see a full head of hair overnight, so don't get discouraged if you don't see dramatic changes in the first week. Stick with it, be patient, trust the process. Document your journey with pictures so you can track your progress. Every small change is a sign that it's working. So, if you're tired of products that overpromise and underdeliver, I challenge you to try this. Give your hair the natural care it deserves. Step away from the chemicals and embrace the healing power of aloe vera. Start your 30-day journey today and get ready to watch your hair transform. You have nothing to lose and a whole lot of confidence to gain. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful and feel inspired to give it a try. If you do, please share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more natural beauty secrets. See you in the next video.